Welcome! Within this video, I will take the role of a plant simulation engineer who has been tasked with designing a new acetyl acid production line. As part of the planning phase, I will utilize plant simulation to design and optimize the process. I will show you how to use 3D models to visualize key indicators of station functionality, how to quickly adjust equipment specifications, and how to monitor in real time the projected factory throughput. I'll begin by reviewing the layout for my plant production line. In addition to the functional components, plant simulation allows me to toggle on and off external graphics to visually assess the factory layout. Like any production facility, we need a BOM that provides details on all raw material inputs and their combined recipe amounts. With the tables in plant simulation, I can quickly review and update critical system data. I'll start our tour of our factory setup at the fluid source inputs, with the simulation running. I can see the pipes change color to correspond to the specific flowing material, giving me an effective visual overview. The next group of stages include synthesis of the acetyl acid, cooling of the reaction mixture to form crystals and separate it from the acetic acid, and filtration to remove liquid and impurities. Storage tanks throughout the model monitor several parameters that are key to our manufacturing process. In addition to designated products, there are volume, fill level, and inflow and outflow rates. With plant simulation, I can constantly monitor tank usage data to be stored in a Gantt chart, which I can share with my engineering team. On the lower level, the purified crystals are dried to remove any residual moisture. During the formulation, they are milled into a fine powder and mixed with excipients for stability and tableting. Finally, the tablets are coated and sent to packaging. Plant simulation tracks the total output, helping me assess the viability of my production model. To ensure proper monitoring, I can place charts throughout the process that monitor total output or other system indicators. It is thanks to the built-in capabilities of plant simulation that I not only am able to model a robust end-to-end production process, but carefully monitor and adjust all related process parameters.
If you're curious to learn more about our services, we offer a 30-day free trial. You can access it by clicking the free trial link in the video description or by scanning the QR code shown in the video. Give it a try and see how it works for you.